Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose in the Moose is Loose, Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. So what we're going to do is go over Meld, and is Meld falling apart? So I'm going to do a quick little intro, give you guys my thoughts, where I'm at with Meld, what I'm going to do, what I have done, what I haven't done yet. So if you do enjoy this video, make sure to smash the like button, and definitely guys, hit that subscribe. That's what's going to blow up the channel. So before I get started, I'd like to make a quick little statement. As of right now, I have not sold one Meld token. I still have my NFTs. So that is my Diamond Hands and my bank manager. And I have not been more bullish as I am right now. Okay, I've never been as bullish as I am now. So we'll get into the video, what happened with Meld. And what I think is, it is a little setback, but the project's still doing very well. What they've accomplished is amazing. So what you guys may or may not have heard, ultimately what happened is that the company that they're going with in terms of a partnership for their money license, they backed out the day of. So for all of you that have been active in Meld, you've probably seen the price drop recently. Nothing insane. I know this is crypto, right? But the project came out at 11 cents. These were from airdrops, right? So this was airdropped to your wallet. It was free. If you sold then, great. But again, these were free tokens. So the price has always been, in my opinion, a penny, 2 cents. Up here, that was just like at the height, right? So again, what happened really, and I listened to an AMA from Ken, and as you guys have noticed, Meld, right? They have this beautiful app. Look what they designed, right? So you can have the staking and whatnot, but the company, I believe in Lithuania, that's where they have the partnership to go with the money license for the crypto to fiat, right? The fiat to crypto, crypto to fiat. They backed out last minute. I believe it's due to their uncertainty with the KYC related to the ISPO. And basically, if you guys know, the ISPO, the initial stake pool offering, you just delegated to a stake pool and you earned some of the Meld tokens instead of ADA. So I guess the board took that as an issue, and the day of, they backed out when they were supposed to have this agreement with the money license. So that's what I know. Comment down below what else you guys heard. I would like to hear your opinion. But as of right now, I'm still bullish. I like what they've been doing. I like their design, their UI. Everything's looking good from my perspective. I think they've been transparent. And this is crypto. This is a very interesting space. You got to think about it this way. If you are running against Usain Bolt, if you're taking on a hefty challenge, if you lose by 20 feet in a race to Usain Bolt, if you're running a couple, let's say you do a mile run against Usain Bolt, you lose by, let's say 10 seconds. I don't even know if that number would be appropriate. Let's say you lose by a big margin. Well, you took on Usain Bolt, okay? Whereas a lot of projects, they take on somebody that is at a similar skill level. So of course, it may not look good in some aspect, but look at what they're trying to do, right? That's like shooting for Mars, but you settle for the stars, right? It's pretty impressive. So there's different ways of looking at it. In my opinion, what they've done and what Meld has accomplished, I'm very bullish. I'm really proud of what they've done. I've been in since I mean, guys, I never read, and I checked out their white paper, and it was incredible. And it just gets better. They have Gmeld. As you can see here, I've got the Gmeld. This whole app, I've never seen that before. This is all new. But one way to look at it, in my perspective, I just came up with this actually, again, is look at what they are competing against, right? Nobody has ever done this before. So my hat is off to the Meld team. I think they're doing a good job. They are extremely transparent. I will say this is a somewhat of a setback, right? It would have been incredible if the money license and everything would have been a-okay, but we are where we're at. So with that being said, I also wanted to mention a few things with Meld. But at the end of the day, guys, I'm still bullish. Nothing in my eyes screams that Meld, you should be running away. I still have all my tokens, and I will prove that right here. So for those of you that watch the channel, thank you so much. I love you all, as usual. This is my main wallet. It's the Red Cape wallet. So I have the Red Cape ADA handle. And as you can see here, I've got 100,000 Meld. I've got even more than that. I just got it on different wallets. I don't share. And yeah, where's my Diamond Hand NFT? I have my bank manager here. There it is. Yeah, right here. Well, I don't know why I couldn't see it. So I still have my Diamond Hand. I mean, I'm a Diamond Hand guy, right? Like, I got to hodl this. If I don't hodl this, people are going to think that the moose is flaky. I still have my bank manager. I minted 3 of them. I gave one away to my buddy. Shout out to Will Rogers. Will, pick up some Meld, baby. And yeah, guys, like, I'm still bullish. I'm working on my Raceworks. That's going to be a different video. But guys, with that being said, I'm still bullish. If you guys want, pick up a Trezor Model T. I've got links in the description below. Save you up to 20%. We also have a free Cardano mini core. So if all this doesn't make sense to you, if you're brand new to crypto, guys, check this out. It's free. You just give me your email. I do get an email. I got to get something. But guys, like, I'm telling you, you get so much value. It is amazing to me that, you know, I put out this content and a lot of people just don't watch it. But you learn everything you need to know when it comes to Cardano for free. So I'm going to be doing the Bitcoin one next, but I have a lot of other duties to fulfill. There's only one moose out there, right? There's only one crypto moose, and he's a busy guy. He's a busy guy. Also, guys, subscribe to the channel. This is what's going to help out most. We're doing good. 269 videos. This is like number 274, I think. So we're going to be near 300 episodes in less than a year. So actually just about a year. Probably just about a year, right? It hasn't been very long. Actually, it was snowing. So, man, I've been pumping out content. It's been crazy, man. Yeah, guys, so definitely check it out. I wanted to go through one other thing first before we get going. If you type in Meld, the price has dropped. So the Diamond Hands, these were significantly higher. They were near 1,300, I believe. So this was not long ago. Yeah, we were like 1,300 for a little bit. We took a little dive, right? So 12, you know. Yeah, 1,300. It was peaking not long ago. Then the news hit. Boom. Crash. So anyways, that being said, it's just the money license issue. I believe they're still going forward with the crypto to crypto, so there's no issue on that end. And I think this is all going to work out in the end. Guys, comment down below. I still have to educate myself as much as possible. It's, as you know, it's not the easiest thing to do. I don't have a full week to spend on this, but that's my perspective. I'm bullish on Meld. This doesn't it doesn't affect my decision on whether or not I'm going to keep buying more Meld. I'm going to keep accumulating. If anything, this price drop is another opportunity. So if we go, actually, if we go on the 7-day, yeah, I mean, this is a great time to get in. Not financial advice, but I mean, frick, we're going back up. On the month, we're down 22%. On the year, we're down 53%. All time, we're down 90%, but that's because it came out at an egregious price. The real price is basically where it's at now. This is a great bottom if you want to get in. So I'm going to be picking up more Meld for sure. Maybe we'll do a video on that. So with that being said, guys, Moose is getting loose. We'll see you all in the next one.